we have done the first determiner. According to our chart, we have done the first determiner, and that's what sum. Do you want to ask any questions regarding this sum?
No.
Okay. So there are some, and there is some we are using for uncountables. I want you to make sentences once again with uncountable. There is some. Could you please give me some sentences more with there is some?
There is some mobile. Is there some mobile? There isn't
No,
any mobile.
uncountable. I said there are some. So there is some uncountable. I want mobile is countable, right?
Yes.
I want uncountable nouns, sir.
There
Uncountable
is
noun.
some honey.
Is there some honey?
Yes. Is
There
there
isn't any.
some?
There is
Yes,
some nicotine. Is there some nicotine? There isn't any nicotine.
very good. खिड़की बंद कर दे फिर दोनों साइड से जल्दी. Yes, continue. There is some nicotine is
There is some oil. Is there some oil? There isn't any oil.
oil. Very good. बंद कर.
There is some butter.
You continue. You continue.
Continue.
There is some trees. Is there some trees? There isn't any trees.
No. I want uncountable nouns. What are you going to do?
Sir, trees.
Uncountable
There,
trees countable है ना? Trees. I want uncountable nouns. Uncountable plural नहीं होता है.
There is some
there is.
butter peanut.
Yes. Correct.
There is some peanut butter. Is there some peanut butter? There isn't any peanut butter.
Very good.
There is some milk. Is there some milk? There isn't any milk.
Animal. Next.
There is some rice. Is there some rice? There isn't any rice.
Good. Yes. There is some.
There is some ghee. Ghee. Is there some ghee? There isn't any ghee.
Good.
There is some yogurt. Is there some yogurt? There isn't any yogurt.
Very good.
There is some cotton. Is there some cotton? There isn't any cotton.
Cotton. Good.
There is some juice. Is there some juice? There isn't any juice.
Very good.
There is some cloth. Is there some cloth? There isn't any cloth.
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 There's some cloth. There's some cloth. There isn't any cloth.
Yes.
Next. Yes. Continue, please.
There is some protein shake. Is there some protein shake? There isn't any protein shake.
Good. There's some protein shake. Yes.
There is some paper roll. Is there some paper roll? Isn't any. There isn't some paper. Any paper
Any.
roll.
Correct. There
There is some color. Is there some color? There isn't any color.
Very good.
There is some music. Is there some music? There isn't any music.
See, instead of saying color, you can say there is some paint.
Hello.
Is there
Paint.
any paint?
Okay, sir.
Okay, next one. Let's go for the next one. According to our chart, the next determiner is a lot of. See here. Yesterday we have finished with some, right? The next
Yes,
one
sir.
is what? A lot of. Now, when do we use a lot of?
बहुत ज़्यादा.
Countable and uncountable.
Correct, for countable noun as well as uncountable nouns. Okay, so first we are going to see with countable nouns. There are a lot of. We are going to make sentences with there are a lot of. Is that clear? So we are going to make some sentences first with there are a lot of. A lot of.
But
For example,
there
statements.
is, I think, there are instead of there are. Can
No.
use there is, right?
For plural, we are going to use there are, right? And
Yes.
singulars, we are going to use there. Sorry, first uncountables, we are going to use there is. Correct?
Yes.
Right. So now we are going to make sentence first with plural countable noun with there are a lot of. For example, there are a lot of. There are a lot of pupils. What do you mean by pupils? Pupils. Yes.
Student.
Correct.
Those aren't.
There aren't
Aren't any pupils.
any
Okay,
pupils.
correct. So there are a lot of pupils. Are there a lot of pupils? There aren't any pupils. Pupils.
But
Okay,
pupils is spelling or people?
pupils. P U P I L
But
L P I L S. Pupils. That people is different, huh? वो people is different. वो अलग है जरा थोड़ा सा. That's what
okay.
people.
So this called is student, right?
लोग. And pupils are what? School students. स्कूल के जो स्टूडेंट होते हैं उनको pupils बोलते हैं. And college के स्टूडेंट बोलते हैं.
Okay.
स्कूल के जो होते हैं वो स्टूडेंट नहीं होते. That's what? Pupil. For example, principal, right? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
We have people only in college. In school, what do we have?
Headmaster,
Correct. Master or ladies there then?
headmistress,
Correct. Headmistress. Very good. Headmaster, man is there, and headmistress, lady is there. And principal we have only in college. But our Indian system is what? Idiot लोगों ने स्कूल के अंदर भी प्रिंसिपल लिख के रखा है. Yes or no?
Yes.
yes, sir.
School principal. Wrong. In school we have headmaster. We don't have principal in school. We have headmaster, headmistress. So same case, school students are called pupils, and college students are called students. Class students are called students. That's it. Now I want you to make sentence with a lot of. There are a lot of. A lot of matlab yani bahut. So there are a lot of people. Are there a lot of people? There aren't any people. Can you please some sentences now with there are a lot of? Mr. Omer, start.
There are a lot of crowd. Are there a lot of crowd? There aren't any crowd.
Next.
There are a lot of water. Are
lot
there a
of.
lot of water?
No, my dear. Now
Any
you are going
waters?
on plural countable noun, not uncountable.
This is a plural, no? Okay.
Water is uncountable. I want plural
Yes,
countable.
yes.
There are a lot of.
There are a lot of cars. Are there a lot of cars? There aren't any cars.
Yes, faster.
There
There
are a
are a
lot
lot.
of.
There
Continue.
are a lot of silencers. Are there a lot of silencers? There aren't any silencers.
Very good.
There are a lot of employees. Are there a lot of employees? There aren't any employees.
Very good.
There are a lot of buildings. Are there a lot of buildings? There aren't any buildings.
Buildings.
There are a lot of doors. Are there a lot of doors? There aren't any doors.
There are a lot of machines. Are there a lot of machines? There aren't any machines.
Next.
There are a lot of securities. Are there a lot of securities? There aren't any securities.
Good. Next.
There are a lot of workers. Are there a lot of workers? There aren't any workers.
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 S should be important. S is very important. This S is very important. See, I made it blue.
Yeah.
There are a lot of workers. Are there a lot of workers? There aren't any workers. There are a lot of oceans. Are there a lot of oceans? There aren't any oceans. There are a lot of opals. Are there a lot of opals? There aren't any opals. There are a lot of diamonds. There are a lot of diamonds. There aren't any diamonds. There are a lot of ladles. Are there a lot of ladles? There aren't any ladles. There are a lot of drakes. Are there a lot of drakes? There aren't any drakes. There are a lot of mascots. Are there a lot of mascots? There aren't any mascots. There are a lot of bottle caps. Are there a lot of bottle caps? There aren't any bottle caps. There are a lot of battalions. Are there a lot of battalions? There aren't any battalions. There are a lot of forts. Are there a lot of forts? There aren't any forts. There are a lot of padlocks. Are there a lot of padlocks? There aren't any padlocks. There are a lot of amethysts. Are there a lot of amethysts? There aren't any amethysts. There are a lot of emeralds. Are there a lot of emeralds? There aren't any emeralds. Are there a lot of stallions? There aren't any stallions. I want you to make sentences with there are a lot of with plural countable noun. Take the words and make sentences.
There are a lot of Hawkins. Are there a lot of Hawkins? There aren't any Hawkins.
Good. Next.
There are a lot of yachts. Are there a lot of yachts? There aren't any yachts.
Good. Next.
There are a lot of mats. Are there a lot of mats? There aren't any mats.
A lot of. Very good. Continue.
There are a lot of wallets. Are there a lot of wallets? There aren't any wallets.
Very good. Next.
There are a lot of bags. Are there a lot of bags? There aren't any bags.
A lot of.
Um,
Mr. Wajid,
There-
make sentences.
There
Yes,
are
Rohit.
there are a lot of systems. Are there a lot of systems? There aren't any systems.
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 There are
Next.
there are a lot of systems. Are there a lot of systems? There aren't any systems.
Very good. Systems.
Systems.
Very good. Very good.
There are a lot of floors.
Next.
Are there a lot of floors? There aren't any floors.
Good. What do you mean by stereo system? Yes. What do you mean by stereo system? को बोलते हैं Continue, please.
There are lot of slides. Are there a lot of slides? There are and a lot of slides.
Very good.
There are a lot of forts. Are there a lot of forts? There aren't any forts.
There are a lot of stereos. Are there a lot of stereos? There aren't any stereos.
There are a lot of cops. Are there a lot of cops? There aren't any cops.
Very good. Yes.
There are a lot of monks. Are there a lot of monks? There aren't any monks.
There are a
Very
lot of wizards. Are there a lot of wizards? There aren't any wizards.
very good. Very good.
There are a lot of Thomas Cook. Are there a lot of Thomas Cook? There aren't any Thomas Cook.
Thomas Cooks. Yes. Wajid bhai, make sentences. Don't be quiet. Chalo, Rohit bhai.
Yes, sir. There are a lot of robots. There a lot of robots? There aren't a lot of aren't any robots.
There are a lot of sticks. Are there a lot of sticks? There aren't any sticks.
Good.
There are a lot of jackets. Are there a lot of jackets? There aren't any jackets.
Very good. Yes.
There are a lot of posters. Are there a lot of posters? There aren't any posters.
Very good.
There are a lot of keypads. Are there a lot of keypads? There aren't any keypads.
Very good. Cupid.
There are a lot of orally challenged people. Are there a lot of orally challenged people? There aren't any orally challenged people.
There are a lot of doomsday days. There
Are there
are there
doomsday?
lot of sorry, sir. Pardon?
Are there
There are a lot of pilgrims. Are there a lot of pilgrims? There aren't any pilgrims.
pilgrims? Very good.
There are a lot of hidden
There are a
cameras.
lot of
Are there a
trees.
lot of
Are there?
Continue.
There are a lot of trees. Are there are lot of trees? Are there there aren't any lot of
Any.
trees?
There are
In
a
the
lot
end,
of
next.
there are a lot of hidden cameras. Are there a lot of hidden cameras? There aren't any hidden cameras.
There are
Next.
a lot of weak points. Are there a lot of weak points? There aren't any weak points.
There are a lot of earphones. Are there a lot of earphones? Are, there aren't any earphones.
Very good. Next.
There are
There
a
are
lot of wardens. Are there a lot of wardens? There aren't any wardens.
Very good. Yes.
There are a lot of snipers. Are there a lot of snipers? There aren't any snipers.
Light
Very
was
good.
there are a lot of antiquities.
उधर
Are there a lot of
उधर
antiquities? There aren't any antiquities.
There are a lot of cages. Are there a lot of cages? There aren't any cages.
There are
There are a lot of emojis. Are there a lot of emojis? There aren't any emojis.
there are lot of trades. Are there a lot of trades? There aren't any trades.
Very good. Fake.
There aren't any trades.
Good.
There are a lot of earphones. Are there a lot of earphones? There aren't any earphones.
There
Very
are a lot of foxes.
Left.
Are there a lot of foxes? There aren't any foxes.
Very good.
There are a lot of COVID patients. Are there a lot of COVID patients? There aren't any COVID patients.
Very good.
There are a lot of threats. Are there a lot of threats? There aren't any threats.
Very good.
There are a lot of exhalations. Are there a lot of exhalations? There aren't any exhalations.
Very good. Escalations.
There are a
Exhalation.
lot of holidays. There are a lot of holidays. Are there a lot of holidays? There aren't any holidays.
Very nice. Very nice. Zubair bhai, make on.
There are a lot of leaves. Are there a lot of leaves? There aren't any leaves.
Very good.
There are a lot of penguins. Are there a lot of penguins? There aren't any penguins.
Very good.
There are a
There are
lot
a
of
lot.
projects. Are there a lot of projects? There aren't any projects.
Projects. Good.
There there are a lot of applications. Are there a lot of applications? There aren't any applications.
There are a lot of animals. Are there a lot of animals? There aren't any animals.
Animals. Very good.
Animals.
Yes.
There are a lot of champs. Are there a lot of champs? There aren't any champs.
Very correct.
There are a lot of sheets. Are there a lot of sheets? There aren't any sheets.
Very good.
There are a lot of companies. Are there a lot of companies? There aren't any companies.
Very good. Yes. Now we are going to make sentences with uncountable nouns with a lot of. We can use a lot of with uncountables as well, right?
Yes, sir.
Now we can use sentences with uncountables. For example, there is a lot of. There is a lot of with uncountables. There is a lot of with uncountables. For example, there is a lot of marijuana. Is there a lot of marijuana? There isn't any marijuana. There is a lot of air. Is there a lot of air? There isn't any air. There is a lot of liquid. Is there a lot of liquid? There isn't any liquid. There is a lot of soap. Is there a lot of soap? There isn't any soap. There is a little wine. Is there a lot of wine? There isn't any wine. There is a lot of coffee. Is there a lot of coffee? There isn't any coffee. There is a lot of pastry. No. Paste. Is there a lot of paste? There isn't any paste. There is a lot of air. Is there a lot of air? There isn't any air. There is a lot of information. Is there a lot of information? There isn't any information. So we are going to make sentences with uncountable. All right. Now, what do you mean by marijuana?
No idea.
Zubair bhai. No idea.
That's
Ajit bhai.
that's a drink. That's a drink. That's a drink type
It's
of
not.
drink.
It is actually drugs. Dam maro dam. Cool. So that's what. Yes or no, Rohit? Expert Rohit. Just kidding. Yes, there is a lot of marijuana. So there is a lot of medicine. Is there a lot of medicine? There isn't any medicine. There is a lot of syrup. Is there a lot of syrup? There isn't any syrup. There is a there is a lot of drug. Is there a lot of drug? There isn't any drug. Yes.
There is a lot of beauty. Is there a lot of beauty? There isn't any beauty.
There is a lot of enchanters. Are there a lot of enchanters? There aren't any enchanters.
Enchanters. Good.
There is a lot of waters. Is there a lot of waters? There isn't any water.
Very good. Sir, try to take some good words. Okay, new words I want. I want some new words. For example, you can take from here. There is a lot of hostility. Is there a lot of hostility? There isn't any hostility. There is a lot of dose. Is there a lot of dose? There isn't any dose. There is a lot of smell. Is there a lot of smell? There isn't any smell. There is a lot of meditation. Is there a lot of meditation? There isn't any meditation. There is a lot of yoga. Is there a lot of yoga? There isn't any yoga. I want good now.
There is a lot of weakness. Is there a lot of weakness? There isn't any weakness.
Good. Yes.
There is a lot of fitness. Is there a lot of fitness? There isn't any fitness.
Good.
There is a lot of sauna. Is there a lot of sauna? There isn't any sauna.
Good.
There is a lot of honesty. Is there a lot of honesty? There isn't any honesty.
Very good.
There is a lot of sadness. Is there a Is there a lot of sadness? There isn't any sadness.
Wait a minute, huh? I'm really sorry for this one.
Okay.
Guys, really sorry. Can make sentences once again, please.
There is a lot of wheat. Wheat. Is there a lot of wheat? There, there isn't lot of. There isn't any wheat.
There is a lot of perfume. Is there a lot of perfume? There isn't any perfumes.
There is a lot of information. Is there a lot of information? There isn't any lot of information. Any information.
There is a lot of abortions. Is there a lot of abortions? There isn't any abortions.
There is a lot of doors. Is there a lot of doors? There isn't any doors.
There is a lot of cement. Is there a lot of cement? There isn't any cement.
Nice, nice. Yes, continue. There is a lot of cement. Is there a lot of
There
cement?
is a lot of yoga. Is there a lot of yoga? There isn't any yoga.
Good. Next. There is a lot of crime. Is there a lot of crime? No, sorry. There is a lot of pain. Is there a lot of pain? There isn't any pain. There is a lot of cotton. Is there a lot of cotton? There isn't any cotton. There is a lot of perfume. There isn't any perfume. Give me sentences, please. More.
There is a lot of errands. Is there a lot of errands? There isn't any errands.
Next.
There is a lot of twilight. Is there
Very
a
good.
lot of twilight?
Twilight.
There isn't twilight. There isn't any twilight.
Very good. There is a lot of twilight. Is there a lot of twilight? There isn't any twilight. Good.
There is a lot of extreme pain. Is there a lot of extreme pain? There isn't any extreme pain.
There is a lot of warriors. Is there a lot of warriors? There isn't any warriors.
There is a lot of smell. Is there a lot of smell? There
There isn't any smell.
isn't any smell.
Very good. Continue. Continue.
There is a lot of honest. Is there a lot of honest? There is a lot of. There isn't any honest.
Honesty. Honesty.
Yes, honesty.
Yes. Continue.
There is a lot of kindness. Is there a lot of kindness? There isn't any kindness.
Very good. Kindness.
There is
Next.
a lot of legacy. Is there a lot of legacy? There isn't any legacy.
Very good.
There is a lot of noodles.
Is there a lot
Is there a lot of
of
noodle? There isn't any noodle.
Very good. What do you mean by treasure?
Account.
Khazana. Khazana.
Khazana.
Is there a lot of treasure? Is there a lot of treasure? There isn't any treasure. Next.
Treasure hunt.
There is a
Yes.
lot of soil. Is there a lot of soil? There isn't any soil.
Good.
There is a lot of anger. Is there a lot of anger? There isn't any anger.
Very good.
There is a lot of relief. Is there a lot of relief? There isn't any relief.
Very good. See, these are the high level words. Take these words. For example, what do you mean by phobia? Phobia means what? डर. Phobia का मतलब होता है डर. अभी कुत्तों से डर लगता है उसको क्या बोलेंगे? Cynophobia. Cynophobia. Is there a lot of cynophobia? There isn't any cynophobia. गुस्से से डर लगता है एंग्रोफोबिया. एनिमल से डर लगता है जूफोबिया. नेक्स्ट. बियर्ड से दाढ़ी से डर लगता है कोगोनोफोबिया. बी से डर लगता है एपीफोबिया. बर्ड से डर लगता है ओरिंथोफोबिया. नेक्स्ट. ब्लैक कलर से डर लगता है मेलानोफोबिया. उनसे डर लगता है हेमोफोबिया. ब्रिड से डर लगता है जेफिरोफोबिया. बच्चों से डर लगता है पीडोफोबिया.
इधर रखो. काम
या
करो.
जेफिरोफोबिया. नेक्स्ट. कैंसर से डर लगता है कैंसरोफोबिया. कैट से डर लगता है एल्यूरोफोबिया, वाटर से डर लगता है हाइड्रोफोबिया, फायर से डर लगता है फायरोफोबिया, डेथ से डर लगता है नेक्रोफोबिया, कोल्ड से डर लगता है साइक्रोफोबिया, डार्क से डर लगता है निक्टोफोबिया, डेथ से डर लगता है पैथोफोबिया, डेमोफोबिया, फ्लाई से डर लगता है एरोफोबिया.
आवाज आ रही है
So this is what exactly the words we can have here. लेक से डर लगता है लिमोफोबिया, ईटिंग से डर लगता है फैगोफोबिया, फ्लड से डर लगता है एंटलोफोबिया, हाइट से डर लगता है इलिग्नोफोबिया, औरतों से डर लगता है गाइनोफोबिया, आदमी से डर लगता है एंड्रोफोबिया, कॉकरोच से वर्म से डर लगता है दैट्स व्हाट सोलिसोफोबिया, लव से डर लगता है फिलोफोबिया, इलनेस से डर लगता है नोसोफोबिया. ओके, सो रोहित वी हैव दिस वन फिलोफोबिया.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go back. So can you please take these words? There is a lot of, yes, Zubair bhai, I have a lot of cynophobia. She has a lot of hemophobia. We have a lot of gynophobia. औरतों से डर लगता है. Okay.
There is a lot of
I have
zoophobia.
androphobia. Yes, continue.
There is a lot
She
of zoophobia. Is there a lot of zoophobia? There isn't any zoophobia.
Very good. जब ये लेवल का वर्ड आप लोग सामने वाले के सर पे मारेंगे ना, गायब हो जाएगा वो बोलेगा oh my god, what are you speaking? Yes, continue.
There is a lot of nyctophobia.
Very good.
Is there a
Nyctophobia.
lot of pardon?
Nyctophobia.
Nyctophobia. Okay,
Correct.
there is a lot of nyctophobia. Is there a lot of nyctophobia? There isn't any.
Very good. Yes. Continue. Wajid bhai, make sentences. There is a lot of arachnophobia. Is there a lot of arachnophobia? There isn't any arachnophobia.
There is
Zubair bhai.
a lot of demophobia. Is there a lot of demophobia? There isn't any demophobia.
Good. Next.
There is a lot of hydrophobia. Is there a lot of hydrophobia? There isn't any hydrophobia.
Good.
There is
Yes.
a lot of aerophobia. Is there a lot of aerophobia? There isn't any aerophobia.
Very good.
There is a lot of aerophobia. Is there a lot of aerophobia? There isn't any aerophobia.
Very good.
There is a lot of demophobia. Is there a lot of demophobia? There isn't any demophobia.
Very good.
There is a lot of pedophobia. Is there a lot of pedophobia? There isn't any pedophobia.
Very good. Wajid bhai, make sentences. Yes.
There is a lot of vinegar. Is there a lot of vinegar? There isn't any vinegar.
Vinegar. Very good.
There is
a lot of ailurophobia.
Allurophobia.
Pardon?
Allurophobia.
Ailurophobia. There is a lot of ailurophobia. Is there a lot of ailurophobia? There isn't any ailurophobia.
Very good.
There is a lot of hemophobia. Is there a lot of hemophobia? There isn't any hemophobia.
Hemophobia. Very good. Hemophobia. Good. Hemophobia. Next. Yes, continue.
There is a lot of cancer phobia. Is there a lot of cancer phobia? There isn't any cancer phobia.
Very good. Cancrophobia. Cancrophobia. Good.
Cancer phobia.
There
Yes.
is a lot of fire phobia. Is there a lot of fire phobia? There isn't any fire phobia.
Good. Phyrophobia.
Fire phobia.
Yes.
O is silent, right?
Yeah. O is silent. Yes. Continue.
There is
Continue.
a lot of agoraphobia. Is there a lot of agoraphobia? There isn't any agoraphobia.
There is a lot of physicophobia. Is there a lot of physicophobia? There isn't any physicophobia.
Good.
There is a lot of pedophobia. Is there a lot of pedophobia? There isn't any pedophobia.
Good.
There is a lot of demophobia. Is there a lot of demophobia? There isn't any demophobia.
Very good.
There is a lot of kynophobia. Is there a lot of kynophobia? There isn't any kynophobia.
Good. Yes. Your voice is a little lagging, Mr. Wajid.
Actually, right now I'm driving, sir. That's why I'm
Oh
network
my God.
issue.
Please concentrate.
हाँ
Please.
हाँ सर
There,
मैं मेरा म्यूट रखता हूँ सर, मैं लिसन कर लेता हूँ।
Yeah. No problem. No problem.
there
बहुत
is a lot
प्रॉब्लम
of
हो रहा है।
agoraphobia. Is there a lot of agoraphobia? There isn't any agoraphobia.
Good.
There is a lot of air pollution. Is there a lot of air pollution? There isn't any air pollution.
Good.
There is a lot of epiphobia. Is there a lot of epiphobia? There isn't any epiphobia.
Very good. Very
There
good.
is a lot of cognophobia. Is there a lot of cognophobia? There isn't any cognophobia.
Very good. Continue, please. Continue. Yes.
There is a lot of pupils. There, there are a lot of peoples.
There is a lot of.
There is a there isn't any peoples.
It's a lot of paper. Is a lot of paper. There isn't any paper. Yes.
There are many cats. Are there many cats? There aren't any many cats. Any cats?
Any kids. Good. Next. Yes. All right. Let's go for the next one. Shall we go for the next one?
Yes, sir.
So, according to us, we have done some with countable as well as uncountable nouns. Correct? Now,
Yes.
we have done a lot of with countable as well as uncountable nouns. Have we finished any?
We can finish any in this statement, no?
Ah, smart man. Huh? Any we have done in our statement, in our questions. Negative. Okay.
Right.
Good. Now we are heading towards the next chart items, and that's what many and much. Many and much, both are the same. See the quantity. I seeing the
Right.
quantity. Many and much. मतलब in इतना सारा. बहुत. Many मतलब बहुत. We are using many only for
Countable,
countable nouns, and we use
Right.
much only for
uncountable.
Uncountable.
correct. So many and much we are going to see here. So many we are going to make sentence with many now. Plural countable noun with many. All right. For example, there are many. Plural countable noun, there are many. For example, there are many kiosks. Are there many kiosks? There aren't any kiosks. There are many pillows. Are there many pillows? There aren't any pillows. There are many closets. Are there many closets? There aren't any closets. There are many screens. Are there many screens? There aren't any screens. There are many words. Are there many words? There aren't any words. मतलब many बहुत सारे वहाँ पर है. There are many watches. Are there many fingers? Are there many fingers? There aren't any fingers. There are many screens. Are there many screens? There aren't any screens. There are many puppets. Are there many puppets? There aren't any puppets. There are many hotels. Are there many hotels? There aren't any hotels. So many we are using for. When do we use many? बहुत. Okay.
Yes.
Can you give me now sentences with many? There are many.
There are many bikes. There are many bikes? There aren't any bikes.
Very good.
There are
There-
many airways. Are there many airways? There aren't any airways.
Very good.
There are many shirts. Are there many shirts? There aren't any shirts.
Very good. There are many shirts. Are there many shirts? There aren't any shirts. Next.
There are many trees. Are there many trees? There aren't any trees.
Very good. There are many trees. Are there many trees? There aren't any trees. Yes.
There are many histories. Are there many histories? There aren't any histories.
Very good. Next.
There are many buildings. Are there many buildings? There aren't any buildings.
Buildings. Very good. Next.
There are many chauffeurs. Are there many chauffeurs? There aren't any chauffeurs.
Very good. Next.
There are many windows. Are there many windows? There aren't any windows.
Very good. Next.
There are many agents. Are there many agents? There aren't any agents.
Nice. Next.
There are many formats. Are there many formats? There aren't any formats.
Very good.
There are many players. Are there many players? There aren't any players.
Players. Good.
There are many victims. Are there any victims? There aren't any victims.
Good.
There are many files. Are there many files? There aren't any files.
Good.
There are many innocents. Are there many innocents? There aren't any innocents.
Very good.
There are many players. Are there many players? There aren't any players.
There
Very
are
good.
many. There are many records. Are there many records? There aren't any records.
Records. Good.
There are many mistakes. Are there many mistakes? There aren't any mistakes.
Mistakes. Good.
Mistakes.
There are many saloon. Are there many saloon? There aren't any saloon.
Saloons.
Saloons.
Next.
There are many tools. Are there many tools? There aren't any tools.
Very
There
good.
are many pupils. Are there many pupils? There aren't any pupils.
Very good.
There are many queens. Are there many queens? There aren't any many queens.
Mannequins. Mannequins.
Many queens.
There
Yes.
are many states. Are there many states? There aren't any states.
Good.
There are many amulets. Are there many amulets? There aren't any amulets.
Very good. Very good.
There are many corrupt officers. Are there many corrupt officers? There aren't any corrupt officers.
Good.
There, there are many profile pics. Are there many profile pics? There aren't any profile pics.
Good.
There are many guys. Are there many guys? There aren't any guys.
Very good. Yes.
There are many citizens. Are there many citizens? There aren't any citizens.
Very
There
good.
are there are many comments. Are there many comments? There aren't any comments.
Very good.
There are many careless. Are there many careless? There aren't any careless.
There are many candidates. Are there many candidates? There aren't any candidates.
Very
There
good.
are there are many vocabularies. Are there many vocabularies? There aren't any vocabularies.
There are
Vocabularies.
Vocabularies.
many staffs. Are there many staffs? There aren't any staffs.
Good.
There are
Yes.
many superheroes. Are there many superheroes? There aren't any superheroes.
Good.
There there are many snipers. Are there many snipers? There aren't any snipers.
Very good. Snipers.
There are many politicians. Are there many politicians? There aren't any politicians.
Very good.
There are many industrialists. Are there many industrialists? There aren't any industrialists.
There
Industrialists. Very good.
Industrialists.
there are there are many mics. Are there many mics? There aren't any mics.
Very good.
There are many farmers. Are there many farmers? There aren't any farmers.
Very good.
There are many presidents. Are there many presidents? There aren't any presidents.
Very good.
There are many documents. Are there many documents? There aren't any documents.
Very good.
There are many colleagues. Are there many colleagues? There aren't any colleagues.
Very good.
There are many speakers. Are there many speakers? There aren't any speakers.
Very good.
There are many instructors. Are there many instructors? There aren't any instructors.
Very good.
There are many ward boys. Are there many ward boys? There aren't any ward boys.
Very good.
There are many fonts. Are there many fonts? There aren't any fonts.
Correct.
There are many exits. Are there many exits? There aren't any exits.
Very good.
There are many excuses. Are there many excuses? There aren't any excuses.
Very good.
There are many texts. Are there many texts? There aren't any texts.
Very good.
There are many solutions. Are there many solutions? There aren't any solutions.
Very good.
There are many towers. Are there many towers? There aren't any towers.
There are many posters. Are there many posters? There aren't any posters.
Very good. Yes. Posters.
There are many advertisings. Are there many advertisings? There aren't any advertisings.
Very good. Yes.
There are many players. Are there many players? There aren't any players.
Players. Good.
There
Next.
there are many tanks. Are there many tanks? There aren't any tanks.
Tanks. Very good.
Tanks.
Next.
There are many prints. Are there many prints? There aren't any prints.
Very good.
There are many solars. Are there many solars? There aren't any solars.
Good. Next.
There are many grills. Are there many grills? There aren't any grills.
There
Very
are
good. Next.
many. There are many plurals. Are there many plurals? There aren't any plurals.
Very good.
There are many gardens. Are there many gardens? There aren't any gardens.
Very good. Continue.
There are many seats. Are there many seats? There aren't any seats.
Very good. Now,
There
many
are,
we have done. Yeah, continue, Rohit.
there are many batches. Are there many batches? There aren't any batches.
Very nice. See, many we have done. The next one, next to many, is what? Much.
Much.
Now, when do we use much?
Uncountable. For uncountable.
Correct. We use much only for uncountable nouns. And much means what? Bahut. Okay? Much. Much means bahut. We use much only for uncountable nouns. For example, there is much grass. Is there much grass? There isn't any grass. There is much paper. Is there much paper? There isn't any paper. There is much medicine. Is there much medicine? There isn't any medicine. There is much juice. Is there much juice? There isn't any juice. There is much land. Is there much land? There isn't any land. There is much wetness. Is there much wetness? There isn't any wetness. There is much honesty. Is there much honesty? There isn't any honesty. There is much cruelty. Is there much cruelty? There isn't any cruelty. There is much oppressness. Is there much oppressness? There isn't any oppressness. There is much happiness. Is there any happiness? There isn't any happiness. Okay. So much we are using bahut. Can you please give me some sentences with much?
There is much honesty. Is there much honesty? There isn't any honesty.
High level words are there in front of you. बहुत ही high level का word है. But इसको अपन अभी last में लेंगे. पहले इसको करते हैं. Take these one first.
There is much feelings. Is there much feeling? There isn't any feelings.
Feelings. Feelings.
Feelings.
Okay.
There is much cotton. Is there much cotton? There isn't any cotton.
Very good. Cotton. Good. Next. Yes.
There is much copper. Is there much copper? There isn't any copper.
There is
Very good.
there is much pulse. Is there much pulse? There isn't any pulse.
Pulse. Pulse.
Pulse.
Good. Yes, there is much.
There is much syrup. Is there much syrup? There isn't any syrup.
Wait a minute. Okay. I'm really sorry. Wait a minute.
Continue. There is much ink. Is there much ink? There isn't any ink. Rohit, continue.
There is much relief. Is there much relief? There isn't any relief.
Okay. There is much yoga. Is there much yoga? There isn't any yoga.
Okay. Yoga.
Yoga.
Okay.
There is a
Okay. Take the words once again.
there is a much homophobia. Is there much homophobia? Homophobia.
Hemophobia.
Pardon?
Phobia.
Homophobia.
Hemophobia.
There
There
is much. Yeah, continue.
There is much homophobia. Is there much homophobia? There isn't any homophobia.
Next.
There is much zoophobia. Is there much zoophobia? There isn't zoophobia.
Any zoophobia.
There isn't any zoophobia.
There is
Next.
much pedophobia. Is there any much pedophobia? There isn't any pedophobia.
Good.
There
Next.
There is some necrophobia. Is there some necrophobia?
Much.
There isn't any necrophobia.
Much. Much.
Okay, sorry. There is much.
Good.
There is much aerophobia. Is there much aerophobia? There isn't any aerophobia.
Good.
There is much aerophobia. Is there much aerophobia? There isn't any aerophobia.
There
Very
is
good.
much bathophobia. Is there much bathophobia? There isn't any bathophobia.
Very good. Bathophobia. Good.
There is much allurophobia. Is there much allurophobia? There isn't any allurophobia.
Allurophobia. Very good.
Allurophobia.
There is
Yes.
much psychrophobia. Is there much psychrophobia? There isn't any psychophobia.
Very good.
There is much fire phobia. Is there much fire phobia? There isn't fire phobia. There isn't any
Any,
fire phobia.
any fire phobia. Good.
There, there is much nyctophobia. Is there much nyctophobia? There isn't any nyctophobia.
Very good.
There is
Nyctophobia.
there is much gynophobia. Is there much gynophobia? There isn't any gynophobia.
Cynophobia.
No, C and C gynophobia.
C with Y. Psy will it will become psy. Cynophobia. Like cycle,
Okay,
cylinder.
okay. Gyno-
Cynophobia. Yes.
There is much nosophobia. Is there much nosophobia? There isn't any nosophobia.
Good. Yes.
There is much ill, illigno,
Elignophobia.
illigno,
Elignophobia.
illigno. There is much illignophobia. Is
Sorry.
there much
Elingophobia.
illingo?
Yeah. Elingophobia.
Illingophobia. There is much illingophobia. Is there much illingophobia? There isn't any illingophobia.
Very good. Yes.
Uh, they, there is much uh, there is much of philophobia. Is there much philophobia? There isn't any philophobia.
Good.
There is much limophobia. There much limophobia? There isn't any limophobia.
Good.
There is much phagophobia. Is there much phagophobia? There isn't any phagophobia.
Very good.
Yes.
Very good.
There, there is much antlophobia. Is there much
Antlophobia.
antlo
Yeah. Yeah. Very good. Antlophobia.
is there much antlophobia? There isn't any antlophobia.
Very good.
There is much elignophobia. Is there much elignophobia? There isn't any elignophobia. There is much gynophobia. Is there much gynophobia? There isn't any gynophobia.
Very
There
good.
is much androphobia. Is there much androphobia? There isn't any androphobia.
Very good. Zubair bhai gone.
Okay.
Yes. Continue. Continue.
There is much nosophobia. Is there much nosophobia? There isn't any nosophobia.
Very good.
Mm, there is much demophobia. Is there much demophobia? There isn't any demophobia. There
Very
is
good.
there is much limophobia. Is there limophobia? Is there
Much
much
limophobia.
limophobia? There isn't any limophobia.
Very good. Continue.
There is much philophobia. Is
Very
there
good.
much
Phobia.
philophobia? There
There
isn't
is.
any philophobia.
Oh my God. Wajid also left. Umair also left. Only Rohit is remaining.
So what happening today?
I don't know. I think maybe internet issue somewhere.
Yes.
Maybe.
Today is Thursday. There
Yeah, yeah,
should
yeah, yeah, yeah.
be
You're right. Today is Thursday,
electric
and on Thursday we have internet problem. Sorry, electricity problem.
electrician problem. That's why.
Correct. I do agree with you.
Yes.
Yes, continue.
There is there is much androphobia. Is there much androphobia? There isn't any androphobia.
Very good.
There there is much phagophobia. Is there much phagophobia? There
Yes.
isn't any phagophobia.
Phagophobia. Very good.
Phagophobia. There is much antlophobia. There isn't any antlophobia. There is. Oh, sorry. There is much.
Isn't any.
There is much antlophobia. There is much antlophobia. Is there much antlophobia? There is isn't any antlophobia.
Very good.
There is much gynophobia. Is there much gynophobia? Is there isn't any gynophobia.
Very good.
There is much
There
philophobia.
is there is
Nice,
there is
Mr. Zubin.
much
Yes, yes,
Yes.
continue.
There's
there is
much.
much limophobia. Is there much limophobia? There isn't any limophobia.
Very good. Continue.
There
There's much.
there is much antlophobia. There is much
There much.
antlophobia. Is there much antlophobia? There isn't any antlophobia.
Very good.
There is much bathophobia. There there to is there much bathophobia? There isn't any bathophobia.
Very good.
There is much androphobia. Is there much androphobia? There isn't any androphobia.
Very good.
There is much. There is much demophobia. Is there much demophobia? There isn't any demophobia.
Very good.
There is much nosophobia. Is there much nosophobia? There isn't any nosophobia.
Any nosophobia. Good.
There
Not any
is
nosophobia.
much philophobia. Is there any much philophobia? There isn't any philophobia.
Very nice.
There is much demophobia. Is there much demophobia? There isn't any demophobia.
Good.
There is much nosophobia. Is there much nosophobia? There isn't any nosophobia.
Very good. Nosophobia. Shall we go for the
There is
next?
much aerophobia.
Good.
Is there much aerophobia? There isn't any aerophobia.
Aerophobia. That's really great. There's much aerophobia. Is there much aerophobia? There isn't any aerophobia. Next. Continue. There's much.
Yes.
There is
There's much honey. Is there much honey? There isn't any honey.
there is much oils. Is there much oils? There isn't any oils.
Very good.
There is there is much Fanta. Is there much Fanta? There isn't any Fanta.
Okay,
There
fantastic.
there is much wood. Is there much woods? There isn't any wood.
Very good.
There is much fantasy. Is there much fantasy? There is there isn't any fantasy.
Very good.
There is much milk. Is there much milk? There isn't any milk.
Very good. All right. Now please pay attention here. Now we are going to see here. We have seen some, a lot of, any. We have seen many. We have seen much. Next one is what? A few.
A few.
Now when do we use a few? Only for?
Few used for countable. Countable.
Correct. Only for countable nouns. Okay.
Countable.
A few.
Yes.
A few मतलब है थोड़ा. And few उससे भी थोड़ा होता है. Okay. Few is just more little than few. A few. Okay. So few. A few. Thoda. We are going to use it with plural countable noun. A few. There are a few masks. Are there a few masks? There aren't any masks. There are a few bottles. Are there fewer bottles? There aren't any bottles. There are few sticks. Are there few sticks? There aren't any sticks. There are few jumpers. Are there few jumpers? There aren't any jumpers. There are few speakers. Are there few speakers? There aren't any speakers. There are few pillows. Are there few pillows? There aren't any pillows. There are few books. Are there few books? There aren't any books. So there are a few. There are a few doors. Are there a few doors? There aren't any doors. There are a few walls. Are there a few walls? There aren't any walls. There are a few cupboards. Are there few cupboards? There aren't any cupboards. There are few screens. Are there few screens? There aren't any screens. There are few walls. Are there few walls? There aren't any walls. There are few bikes. Are there few bikes? There aren't any bikes. So I want you to make sentence with there are a few. A few. Take these words
There are a
now.
few. Yeah, there are a few fox. Are there a few fox?
Foxes.
There aren't any fox.
Foxes.
Foxes.
Yes.
There are a few bakers. Are there a few bakers? There aren't any bakers.
Very good.
There are a few old schools. Are there a few old schools? There aren't old schools.
Any old schools.
There are any old.
The-
Next.
There are a few ward boys. Are there a few ward boys? There aren't any ward boys.
Very good.
There there are a there are a few pilgrims. Are there a few pilgrims? There aren't any pilgrims.
Very good.
There there are a few vocabularies. Are there a few vocabularies? There aren't any vocabularies.
Very
Vocabularies.
good.
There are few tokens. Are there a few tokens? There aren't any tokens.
Very good. Next.
There are a few disadvantages. Are there a few disadvantages? There aren't disadvantages.
A few. A few. Okay.
There are
Oh,
There are a few junkyards. Are there a few
there
junkyards?
are-
There are
there,
any junkyards.
oh.
Yes.
there are a few wishes. Are there a few wishes? There aren't any wishes.
Very good.
There are a few snipers. Are there a few snipers? There aren't any snipers.
Mm. There are a few
There
rituals.
are a
Are
few
there any
mistakes.
rituals? There
Are
are any
there a
rituals.
few mistakes? There aren't any mistakes.
Mistakes. Good.
Mistakes.
Yes.
There are a few cavalier. Are there a few
Cavaliers.
cavalier?
Are there a few?
Cavaliers, no?
Yes.
There are a few cavaliers. Are there a few cavaliers? There aren't any cavaliers.
Very good.
There are a few snipers. Are there a few snipers? There aren't any snipers.
Very good.
There are a few jars. Are there a few jars? There aren't any jars.
Very good.
There are a few weak points. Are there a few weak points? There aren't any weak points.
Very good.
There are a few errors. Are there a few errors? There aren't any errors.
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 There are a few earphones. Are there a few earphones? There aren't any few earphones.
Any earphones.
Yeah,
There,
earphones.
There are a
there,
few.
there are a few adapters. Are there a few adapters? There aren't any adapters.
Adapters. Very good.
Adapter.
Adapters.
There are a
Good.
few nurses. Are there a few nurses? There aren't any nurses.
Very good.
There are a few buttons. Are there a few buttons? There aren't any buttons.
Very good.
Yeah, there are a few errors. Are there a few errors? There aren't any errors.
Very good.
And there are a few plugs. Are there a few plugs? There aren't any plugs.
Very good.
There are a few shapes. Are there a few shapes? There aren't any shapes.
Very good.
There are a few handles. Are there a few handles? There aren't any handles.
Very good. Handles.
There are few beds. Are there a few beds? There aren't any.
Beds. Good. Next.
There are a few tubes. Are there a few tubes? There aren't any tubes.
Very good.
There are few disadvantages. Are there a few advantages? There aren't any disadvantage.
Advantages. Disadvantages. Yes. There are a few.
There are a few body lotions. Are there few body lotions? There aren't any lotions.
Oh, body lotion is uncountable.
Oh, sorry. Bottles.
Okay.
Body lotion.
Bottle lotion. Okay. 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 कसं फेकलंय मी? You. Uncountable nouns. There is much. We have done much. Now a little. A few. A little. Now what do you mean by a little? Thoda.
थोड़ा सा.
Thoda. Okay. There is a little.
Yes.
There is a
Little.
little. Thoda sa. There is a little. So there is a little patience. Patience को मराठी में क्या बोलते हैं? What is patience in Marathi?
Patience म्हणजे धीर.
Dheer. Okay, patience. There is a little patience. Is there a little patience? There isn't any patience. There is a little happiness. Is there a little happiness? There isn't any happiness. There is a little yogurt. Is there a little yogurt? There isn't any yogurt. There is a little legumes. Is there a little legumes? There isn't any legumes. There is a little curse. Is there a little curse? There isn't any curse. Can you please give me some sentences like this? There is a little.
There is a little electricity.
Very good.
Is there electricity? There isn't any electricity.
Very good. There is a little electricity. Is there a little electricity? There isn't any electricity. Next.
There is a any. There
There is a
is a little. There is a little body lotion. Is there little body lotion? There isn't any body lotion.
Nice. Continue.
There
There is a
there is a
There is a little chicken. Is there a little chicken? There isn't any little
chicken.
chicken.
Very good. There is a little chicken. Is there a little chicken? There isn't any chicken. Next.
there is a little protein. There is a is there a
There-
little protein? Is there a
There-
little
Protein.
protein? There isn't any protein.
Very good.
Yeah, there is a little fried rice. Is there a
Little.
little fried rice? There isn't little. There
Very
isn't
good.
any fried rice.
Fried rice. Good. Fried rice. Next.
There is a little carbohydrates. Is there a little carbohydrates? There isn't any carbohydrates.
Carbohydrates. Good.
Yeah, there is a
Next.
there is a little dose. Is there a little dose? There isn't any dose.
Very good.
There is
Yes.
there is a little power. Is there a little power? There isn't any power.
Very good. Power.
Power.
There is a little power. Is there a little power? There isn't any power.
Good. Next.
There is a little humidity. Is there a little humidity? Huh?
Very good. Very good.
Humidity.
There is a little.
Yes. There isn't any humidity.
Very good.
There is a little cement. Is there a little cement? There isn't any cement.
Very good.
There is a little air. Is there a little air? There isn't any.
Any
Yes.
Very good. There is a little air. Is a little air.
There-
There isn't. Very good.
There is a little hospitality. Is there a little hospitality? There isn't any hospitality.
Very good.
There is a little soil. Is there a little soil? There isn't any soil.
Very good.
There is a little leather. Is there a little leather? There isn't any leather.
Leather. Very good.
Yeah, leather.
There is a little.
Yes. 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 Rohit.
There is a little stone. Is there a little stone? There isn't any stone.
Very good.
There is
Yes.
a little copper. Is there a little copper? There isn't any copper.
Very good.
There is a little oil. Is there a little oil? There isn't any oil.
There is
Good.
there is a little gold. Is there a little gold? There isn't any gold.
Good.
Uh, there is a little fog. Is there a little fog? There isn't any fog.
Very good. There
There
is a
is-
little fog.
There is a little weight. Yeah, there is a little weight. Is there a little weight? There isn't any weight.
Wait. Okay.
Weight.
Yes.
There is a little humidity. Is there a little humidity? There isn't any humidity.
Humanity. Very good. Humanity. Humanity.
Humidity.
There is a little oxygen. Is there a little oxygen? There isn't any oxygen.
Oxygen. Good.
Oxygen.
Next.
There is
There
a
is a
little.
little cotton. Continue.
Yeah, you continue.
Is there?
There is a little twilight. Is there a little twilight? There isn't any twilight.
Very good.
There is a little lamb. Is there a little lamb? There isn't any lamb.
Okay.
They,
Lamb.
they,
Lamb, right?
Yeah,
Good, good.
LMB, right?
lamb means, sir. Lamb meaning.
Lamb वो मेंढा रहता है ना, मेंढा भेड़िया, मेंढा रहता है मेंढा,
हाँ, 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 मेंढा.
उसके गोश्त को बोलते हैं लैम्ब.
Oh,
उसका मीट रहता है ना, उसको लैम्ब बोलते हैं.
okay, lamb.
उसके बेबी को भी लैम्ब बोलते हैं. हाँ,
Baby के. Oh.
या बेबी आल्सो कॉल्ड लैम्ब.
There is a little chemical. Is there a little chemical? There isn't any chemical.
Okay.
There is a
So any
little
doubts?
steel.
Yeah, continue.
Yeah, there is
Continue.
a little steel. Is there a little steel? There isn't any steel.
Steel.
Yeah,
Very good. Any doubts to anyone?
no,
Any questions?
No.
no. Actually, I
So
got some audio on the WhatsApp. Okay, so in which actually the two audios there. I think.
yeah.
So maybe first one is I did not get what exactly they want to tell like in the audio.
I'll share with you the video of that audio, that how to go and how to read and how to listen with this today itself,
Yeah,
inshallah.
actually I got the MP3 and audio. I think so. Maybe actually I did not get how to listen carefully. Like
No, I'll tell you that how to listen and how to practice it. I'll make a video for this one and
okay.
we'll give it to you today.
Yeah, no.
Sure.
Yeah,
We'll send you also. Okay, Rohit?
Sorry, sir.
We'll send you also.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes. Okay.
Good.
और
Yeah,
सर वो जो आपने भेजा है उसका वो जो रीडिंग मटेरियल्स है वो डाउनलोड कैसे करने का सर, क्या वैसे?
if it is not getting downloaded, so I'll give you personally. Don't worry.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay. Don't worry,
Yes.
guys. Huh? See, whenever you feel any problems, you can directly come to me. And if you feel that the things are not getting downloaded, so I'll give you personally. No problem at all.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you,
And
sir.
see,
Yeah,
I'm
no problem.
starting a new batch in physical classes in camp. Okay.
Yeah.
Pune College, near Pune College.
Pune
From
College.
1st of December. If you have any friends, girlfriends, boyfriends, aane wala, baane wala, azu wala, bazu wala, just inform them if they want to join classes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Video.
Yeah.
Sayonara.
Sayonara.